Topo.io reviews, features, pricing, and alternative. AnyBiz. In the fast-paced world of B2B sales, staying ahead means adapting quickly. By 2025, 80% of supplier-buyer interactions will move online. Enter Topo.io, crafted by former AirCall innovators, to revolutionize B2B sales with enhanced productivity and client satisfaction. Discover its features, benefits, and considerations here. A next-gen B2B sales platform designed to meet evolving demands. It automates sales processes from lead management to contract completion, empowering teams to focus on strategy. The digital sales room enhances customer experience by simplifying interactions and fostering collaboration, making buying more engaging and effective. Topo.io redefines B2B sales with a centralized workspace for streamlined communication, automated workflows for efficiency, dynamic digital sales rooms for real-time collaboration, insightful buyer engagement analytics, and AI-powered lead identification and personalized outreach. They offers cost-effective AI-driven sales solutions, starting at $500 per agent per month, including lead generation, email sequences, and CRM integration. Custom pricing scales for larger operations, providing enriched leads and dedicated support to optimize sales efficiently. Topo.io automates sales processes, integrates with CRM systems like Salesforce, and enhances buyer engagement through digital sales rooms. However, setup complexity and dependency on digital interaction are considerations, and there's no free trial available for potential customers. Topo.io receives positive reviews on G2, but lacks feedback on Trustpilot and Capterra, limiting comprehensive user insights. Users value its integration with Salesforce and effective analytics for forecasting. However, some seek more advanced CRM capabilities and detailed prospect analytics. Why AnyBiz.io is the best alternative for Topo.io. AnyBiz.io leverages advanced AI to pinpoint optimal sales opportunities and engage key decision-makers effectively, streamlining the path from prospecting to closing deals with personalized outreach and strategic email management. AnyBiz.io offers businesses a powerful AI-driven solution for streamlined lead generation and sales. It automates the entire sales pipeline with targeted multi-channel engagement, ensuring timely outreach and seamless CRM integration for optimized campaign performance and accelerated growth. If you enjoyed your time here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. Stay tuned for more updates.